Hi, this is Mr. Hood, and we're going to solve a one-step equation using addition. The equation that we're going to solve is x minus 7 equals negative 2. And we've represented this equation on the left using a mystery bag to represent the variable x, using 7 little negative counters to represent minus 7, and 2 little negative counters to represent negative 2. First things first, let's do a little setup. We're going to put a vertical line through the equal sign, we're going to leave a little space, and we're going to put a horizontal line underneath. Now, in order to solve an equation, your first mission is to get the variable by itself. Now, in order to get the variable x by itself, we're going to have to get rid of that minus 7, or in this case, we're going to think of it as a negative 7. Well, to get rid of a negative 7 or minus 7, we're going to add the opposite. Well, the opposite of negative 7 is positive 7, so let's add positive 7 to the left-hand side. On our model, this means we're going to add 7 little positive counters to the left-hand side. Now, when you solve an equation, what you do to one side, you gotta do to the other. So if we added 7 to the left, we need to add a positive 7 to the right. At this point, it's time to cancel some opposites. Well, there's a minus 7 or negative 7 up top, and we've added a positive 7 to that. So those two guys are going to cancel, because of course their sum is going to be 0. Now it's time to do a little addition. We're going to take that negative 2 and add it to that positive 7. And in fact, the solution that we're going to get is positive 5. Now, are we sure? Let's check. So how do we check? What we do is we rewrite the equation, but we substitute in what we think the solution for x is. Well, we think the solution for x is 5, so let's go ahead and substitute it in. Now let's do some math. 5 minus 7 is in fact negative 2, and so we have negative 2 on the left, we have negative 2 on the right. It looks like our solution checks out. So in conclusion, the solution to x minus 7 equals negative 2 is that x equals 5.